So you just finished your first section in Unity, and for every project and every assignment that you complete in Unity, you want to get credit. You actually created this great project, so we want to add your name. So the last part is for you to add your name somewhere in your project so I can see it when I'm grading your work. So what we're going to do in this example, I'm going to add it in on the plane. So what I'm going to do is right click on plane. I'm going to do create a 3D text, and you can see it says new text, and I'm going to rename this as my name. Inside of here, I'll call it my name, created by Jamie Gant, and I'll go to the next one, period 8. So if I actually look at this, and for now I'm going to hide these like we did in the previous lesson because I don't need these right now. So I'm just trying to look at my plane, and I type this in but I do not see it. So if let's see if I rotate around, you can see it's there, right? Well, I want that actually, and let's look at my perspective view. I want this to be up, and obviously I want it to be over, and I want it to lay down, so I actually want to rotate it. So I'm going to put in my rotate, and I want to rotate that down like that, and you can see where I'm going to. I want to go ahead and put that at 90. So now that I have that, I'm going to play with this over here. I'm going to do created by Jamie Gant like that. And you can play with all these. You can change your font size. You can change your font color. You can see the font materials here. You can also, the font style, you see my colors here if I wanted to change it, or if I just wanted it white. And again, remember you can use these as well. So white's FFFF, and that's pretty good. And let's go ahead and add that as black. So now you can see created by Jamie Gant. Remember, if I use my plane and I move it, it goes with it, right? And that's because it is a child of my plane. So I have my box, but my camera is positioned over here. So I actually want to rotate this entire thing towards my camera. So now you can see I've rotated it this way. If I zoom out, here's my camera, and let's look at my perspective. I have created by. So go ahead and let's turn these guys back on, and let's go ahead and push play. You can see created by Jamie Gant, period 8.